Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Litecoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see LTC on the daily first, or on the all-time history here, where we have a three waves toward the upside followed by a triangle correction, and of course following potentially a wave C toward the upside as an A, B, and a C here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to reach above the $442 potentially here as a bullish scenario or bull run. In case we still, of course, in a deeper correction here, you might be in an A, B, and you're looking for a deeper wave C toward the downside. Can be, of course, kind of like a diagonal here to reach the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the A to the B to the C here, and of course having around the $14 for Litecoin. It can be also a WX and a Y. I would say is this, of course, potential WX and Y can be finishing a zigzag, which very unlikely scenario here. 3 ways down, 3 up, and 3 ways down. Again, also for the 1-to-1 at $14 for Litecoin. Now, highest possibility is a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and of course looking for a wave C after it once we finish, of course, this last drop for wave E. That we're gonna take a look, of course, closer on the 4-hour chart first for Litecoin. So basically on the 4-hour chart here, since our correction is of course coming for a wave E here, to finish up the wave E can be of course very likely an A, B, and a C, or WX and a Y here, where you might have the W, an X, and a wave Y to unfold toward the downside. Now this wave Y is starting, of course, here from A, B, and a C. You're required here to finish kind of like an impulse, which it can be, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. One more drop, of course, 0.618, and 1-to-1 between the $28 and $34. That means, of course, one more leg is required for the wave Y. In case you are in a wave C here, and that means, of course, you are in a large wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well, can still be requested here for wave 5 to finish the wave C, of course, as a diagonal. Now, there is also a likely scenario for wave 4 that it might be as well unfolding here in 3 waves up, and then wave C, of course, to finish with the 5th waves over there. And that means that it can be very likely that it can still get some higher prices here in this correction. We're gonna see it also closer, but you're required here kind of like a diagonal as a wave C, A, B, and a C, and then having a final wave 5 as diagonal 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So we'll see how this is going to unfold. Let's dive inside it on the 1-hour chart here for our correction that we are looking at exactly over there. So this correction is very complex and of course very sideways. We have an A, B, and a C here toward the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal. That it can of course look for higher prices in case of course we're still looking for higher a little bit to finish the structure in a wave C. In case we are in a wave Y, well, there is a very likely scenario W, X, and an A, B, C, D, and an E in a wave Y, and then pushing downward again, of course, directly to finish this impulse, which it might be a larger wave Y that it might finish over there. Yep, so that was it for Litecoin. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.